Okay, hello everyone. It's gonna be a bit of a different video today. So I'm gonna make just a tech vlog. So pretty much, task is, so as you can see, I added some tissue paper on the fittings on my custom loop, just so I can see if the problem is there's leakage on the fittings. So far as I can see, there's none, but what the main problem I'm having is the water level on my reservoir keeps dropping. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hardline, or I'm gonna do pretty much a hardline loop on this, and I'm also gonna replace the pump. Yeah, I hate going with Corsair at this time, so I am replacing it with this bad boy. So this is going to be my new pump, Primo Chill. Outlets here, inlets here on the top. So, and fill port on the top as well. And I believe you can add a temperature sensor here. I'm not sure. But yeah, so join me on this very long journey. So I managed to take out the board. Yeah, that pump, there's something wrong with the coolant I used. It's the XD5, XL3 or something like that. I don't know. It's Corsair's coolant, but yeah, look at the. Eesh. So I have to clean this out, store it. I have to clean out the pumps. And moving over here, so I'm using a 5950X with an Asus X570 Asus X570 Crosshair Crosshair Extreme, Crosshair 8 Extreme. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. So essentially my goal is trying to get this water block installed. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I managed to take out my old pump, the Corsair XD5. Is this the XD5? Yeah, the XD5. So yeah, look at that residue in there. Crap. So I have to clean this up and put it back as my backup pump. So this is going to be my new pump. And then I'm going to restore my old block, see if I can use it. It's probably going to be installed upside down. So yeah, I don't know how that's going to work. Hopefully it still does. I'm just leak testing because I dismantled this and cleaned it up. I'm just leak testing it to make sure that there's no leaks on the actual block and I don't kill my CPU and board, because that board is expensive. Yeah, so we'll proceed with that. Hopefully I'm going to install it on this board now. Should be pretty quick, hopefully. You know what they say. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so finally got almost everything out of the case. Like, yeah, the case is kind of filthy. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it up, and I'm gonna continue observing this throughout the day if there are any leaks. And well, this one anyway, since I had to dismantle my flow meter to make sure nothing was leaking, or and clean everything inside the flow meter. Let me pull that up a bit. There you go. So yeah, had to dismantle the flow meter just to clean it out. Right now I'm leak testing it to make sure I put everything back. Also taking the same time to test this fitting out to see if there's any leaks on that too. Yeah, and then this one I'm just flushing the radiators. This one is gonna be my backup. What do you call this? Backup pump. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Okay, so I did manage to do a quick fitting check. Also made sure my my old block actually fits, and it does. I just have to install it upside down. That kind of sucks, but yeah, so the temperature reading for the water is going to be upside down here. So yeah, that's a little disappointing. Otherwise, yeah, I actually like this old block. It's huge. It's actually huge. So yeah, I'll continue to work on this. Fitting's done, so I have to redo a paste. I actually wanted to use, because just for my test fitting, I had to use, where is that? Oh, there you go. My Noctua paste. Come on, focus. So I wanted to use this bad boy, Kingpin Cooling. So I still have like a full syringe of that. So yeah, I'll replace the thermal paste and continue on. Okay, so we got our board out. Sweet. So now let's replace this out. Change the water block out just to replace the thermal paste. Wipe it down and start doing an alignment check on those. All right, let's do it. Okay, just going over the specs on my system. Again, this is an X570 board, Crosshair 8 Extreme, 5950X. Then we're running 128 gigs of Trident Z RGB Neo. And the pump, the reservoirs I'm using, this is my card, 3090 Strix white. And the pumps I'm running a dual rad system. So one is a thin rad and one is a thick rad. Yeah, both of them are from Primo Chill, and my pump, the pump I'm going to be using as well, is a Primo Chill pump. And most of the parts I'm going to be using for this is Primo Chill. So yeah, I'll do a bit of construction, and I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, another update. We finally. Oh man, why is this hanging up? No. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, another update. Managed to finally nail down the actual water pump and reservoir. So pumps here, I can easily remove it. Reservoirs here. I'm gonna do a splitter here at the bottom. So I'll do like a, yeah, I have a two-way or three-way splitter, just so I can put a drain valve in there in the lowest point of the loop, just so I can, you know, for easy maintenance. And then of course we have our intake here at the bottom, and then I'll put another reservoir on top. So this is gonna be push-pull. So the reason why I had to mount my pump reservoir, my pump and reservoir this way, is because I have an EATX motherboard. So the EATX motherboard, it actually hits this. So in order to prevent that, I had to do some weird mounting hack. So now it's mounted, and yeah, I'll check in again. Okay, final update for the day. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's already 11. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm working on this all day. So final update, I started doing my bends. I did manage to install the block, added a couple of 90-degree fittings in there already. Managed to install my pump and my reservoir at the bottom. Also put my fan as well as my vertical mount. So yeah, this is the first two bends. So it's from here going back to the tank, or going back to the reservoir, and then from here, from the second reservoir, or from the first reservoir going to the second. So this one is a solid pipe. So yeah, hopefully it's a lot cleaner, and cross fingers it doesn't leak. Looks sturdy, and hopefully it's leak proof, but we'll see. Yeah, that's the last update. Good night. Good morning. Finally, day 2. Back to the grind. So the goal for today is essentially finish the loop, do loop testing, and then by the end of the day finish the installation on everything. So main loop we need to finish here, going up here to this, then here, going up here to up this part of the radiator. There you go. Come on. I can't see it. So I already have like the loop here. Then my what do you call this? The flow meter is here, and the second hard line going there to there. So yeah, we're gonna finish this loop for today and move on. Okay, so first, one of the last bends. Holy shit, this one was an actual accident. So this bend was originally going to go on top here, so it goes up down the loop. So it's going to go from the top, drop down, and then into here. But oh my god, it fit from here going down, like but then like I kind of made it too short, and then when I tried it on the bottom, oh my god, it was the exact fit. I had to swap out this 90-degree fitting. The one here was short and then this one was long, so I swapped them out. So this one now has the short fitting with the rotary fitting, then this one is the long rotary fitting, and oh my god, it's perfect. Like, it just went under the DIMM.2 slots. Like, this section, oh my god, like it's legit just barely touching it. And even the RAM was like, oh, very good. So I have one more loop, or one more bend to do, and it's time to do a leak test. Okay, oh my god, we finally finished the piping. So now all that's left is, oh man, so relieved. So all that's left is leak testing. So I kind of cheated on the top because I keep having issues with the bend. I keep on overshooting it. So what I'm going to do, I'm a little worried about this one. So what I'm going to do on this, I'll run it, and yeah. So what I did was I have an extra T junction. So I covered the top hole and then just had another cut here. So I have extra fittings. So essentially I have 2 extra fittings left. 4 actually, after all the use. So now I have 2 extras. So yeah, made that curve right there and then bend upwards. All right, all that's left now is leak testing and filling it up, or filling it up and leak testing, that order. All right, let's go.
Down. I've been a fool to myself. I thought that I could live for no one else. But now, through all the hurt and pain, it's time for me to respect the ones you love me more than anything. So with sadness in my heart, feel the best thing I could do. End it all and leave forever. What's done is done.
Okay, we are finally done. Oh my god, look at that. Very clean. Again, I kind of cheated on the top pipe just because, like, I don't want to waste pipes just trying to bend. The bottom one was very accidental, but it's a very happy accident, like Bob Ross said. So that is very cool. So the piping water up goes up here. Then I managed to install my old block. Oh my god, I keep forgetting how beautiful this block is. It's like huge, and it has a temperature sensor, so it's awesome. Then it's up here, goes up the first rad, goes down the second rad, and then goes there, then goes down here to the flow meter, and then back to the tank. So if you can see the tank there, just spin it around. Oh man. And after 2 days of labor, Ooh, yeah. This is my first time hardlining water cooling. It's not my so yeah, I didn't realize how hard actually freaking bending those tubes are and making sure that the measurements are exact. Holy shit. Like, I thought they were gonna be exact when I bent them, but then, like, not really. So, yeah, there's a lot of challenges. But yeah, surprisingly, it came out really clean. I still have space to, like, take out my RAM. But again, the RAM is already maxed out. So yeah, there we go. That's it for this build, and thank you for following me on this journey. For more unboxings, I hardly do any vlogs, so vlogs. Oh man, I'm such an old person. I feel like an old person. Yeah, for more I hardly do these kinds of things unless like it's special or something tech related. But for more, if you want to see me do more unboxings, I have like a lot of unboxings I still have to go through, more unboxing videos I have to edit. Yeah, for more, follow me on the channel. See ya. Papoose.